If you've been wondering how to use form tools for post-purchase surveys in the simplest, fastest way possible, this tutorial is exactly what you need. I've tested all the most popular software options out there, and by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly how to collect valuable customer insights right after the sale without wasting time figuring out complicated tools. Here's the deal. Post-purchase surveys are one of the easiest ways to improve retention, increase referrals, and understand what's working in your sales process. But most people either overcomplicate them or don't use them at all. Let's change that. The software we'll be using in this video is beginner-friendly, powerful, and lets you launch a working survey in minutes. You'll find an exclusive free trial for it linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so if you want to follow along or try it for your business, make sure to grab that. Once you've created a free account, start by choosing a blank form or a post-purchase survey template. Most form tools offer one. These are pre-built with the right types of questions, so you're not starting from scratch. First, make sure the customer's experience is top of mind. Keep the survey short. Ask no more than 3 to 5 questions. The most effective ones are: 1. How satisfied are you with your purchase? Use a 1 to 5 rating scale. 2. What made you decide to buy from us today? This gives you gold for your marketing copy. 3. Is there anything we could have done better? This helps you refine the customer journey. Use drop-downs or multiple choice for speed, but always include one optional short text field for honest feedback in their own words. Next, set up conditional logic if your form tool allows it. That means if someone gives a low rating, they'll be asked for more detail automatically. It keeps the experience personalized without overwhelming happy customers with irrelevant follow-ups. Now, make it seamless. Integrate the form with your confirmation email or thank you page. Most tools have a direct embed or link you can drop into your post-purchase flow. This is where most people mess up. Don't wait hours or days. Send the survey immediately when the customer's emotions are fresh. Also, if the tool allows tagging or custom fields, segment responses based on order size or product type. This makes your data actionable and lets you adjust specific parts of your funnel instead of guessing. Finally, review your data weekly. Most tools show results in dashboards, so you'll spot patterns fast. If the same problem keeps coming up, you've got a clear next step to fix it. Here's the key takeaway. Using form tools for post-purchase surveys isn't just about feedback, it's about growth. You're building a feedback loop that improves your business every single week. To recap quickly, start with a survey template. Limit questions to 3 to 5. Use smart logic. Embed the survey in your confirmation flow and analyze weekly. That's all you need to turn every sale into a learning opportunity. And if you want to follow along or build your own survey today, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's only available through this channel, and it's the software I recommend after testing all the others. Thanks for watching. Go set yours up, and I'll see you in the next one.